2023 will be the year that S in the ESG takes centre stage and those human-centred organisations will excel.
My name's Kate Field. I'm the Global Head of Health, Safety and Wellbeing at BSI.
So I think 3 years on and the world is still reeling from the shock of the COVID-19 pandemic. The cost to human life, the impact on global supply chain and the changes to working practices are still reverberating through society. I think what was interesting in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic was that something strange and unexpected in the corporate world happened. It rediscovered the value of its humanity. This was a disruption that impacted everyone. Those hierarchical barriers of them and us were replaced with we're all in this together, creating a culture of care that simply hadn't existed in many organisations before the pandemic. So I think what's really interesting is that those organisations that prioritise their people during the pandemic have been the most resilient as we emerge from it and as we continue, COVID becomes a distant memory. Organisations have seen how important their people are in creating agile and innovative responses, and they want to harness that power for the long term, recognising the competitive advantage it brings. And workers are now demanding that organisations maintain and enhance the culture of trust that was developed during COVID, both to the individual worker but also to wider society. Organisational purpose, flexible working, diversity inclusion, workplace wellbeing are now critical differentiators in the competitive talent market. So Gallup's annual report showed that organisations that get this right, creating a highly engaged workforce, have on average 21% higher profitability, and that's a figure that is gaining investor attention. 2023 will be the year that S in the ESG takes centre stage and those human-centred organisations will excel.